didn't see me here? Well, come check out this hidden gem that you may have not seen either. Welcome back. This episode of Hidden Gems is about the amazing LS 500. The LS has a pretty cool feature that is rare in most cars. The passenger seat is actually equipped with its own memory seat system. Here's how you can use it. You move your seat using the seat control buttons you see here. Go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Now that you are comfortable, press set and select which seat number you would like to save your seat in. And that's all it takes to set your passenger seat. Not only does the LS have passenger seat memory, you could also change the passenger seat setting from the driver's side. All you have to do is press and release the seat icon with the uppercase R next to it and select which seat number pertains to your guests. If you have any questions, please call us, email us, Zoom call us, or stop by today. And please like this video, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our weekly technology videos.